Welcome to the ELAC Fiscal Office online payment tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to pay your tuition and fees using the PeopleSoft online student portal. From the ELAC website, under Register for Classes, click here. It will take you to the student portal. From any web browser, you can also type in mycollege.laccd.edu and it will take you directly to the portal. To log in, type in your student ID and type in your password. If this is your first time logging in, make sure you click here and follow the step-by-step instructions on how to create your password. When we sign into the portal, it will take us to the ELAC homepage. On the top of the navigation bar, under the Finance menu, you're going to get a drop-down menu. Under Electronic Payments, you're going to select Make a Payment. You will see your outstanding charges. Enter the full amount in the box provided under the payment amount. In this case, $286, which will include your health fee, your tuition, and your representation fee. Click Next. Confirm payment. It tells you here the exact amount you're about to pay. Continue to make payment. And it will take you to the Bill plus Payment client. From this point on, you enter your credit card number and you follow the steps to complete your transaction. At the end of your payment, print and save your receipt for future proof of payment.